Hi, my name is SOni and welcome to this tutorial. We're gonna continue with our page layout over here. Now, so let's get moving. Over here, I create a one more division tag. Okay, ID to be of left. Okay, left, and then I'm gonna say. Now see, I didn't write it over here, and why did I'm writing over here and not over here? I'm gonna tell you, but right now let's continue. I'm gonna say div class equals to content. Why is it so class? I'm gonna tell you right now, don't worry. Content 1. Okay, div tag closed. I simply copy and paste it over here. Okay, so make it content 2, content 3, content 4, content 5, content 6, content 7. Okay, yeah. So see, now this division tag, I simply cannot write all of them over here, see, in this line only, because it will become complicated. So I press enter and I am writing over here. If it was just one division tag, then probably I would have ended this division tag in this line only, that line only. But since it consists of a lot of line, I'm writing it in an entirely new line by pressing enter. So now, why did I use class over here? Because if you see over here, my logo.css, where is it? Over here, yeah. All these content 1, content 2, content have the same color, isn't it? I want this one to be of red. I want all these content fonts to be of red color. So since a lot of different tags needs to have same property, we use class and we use ID when a particular tag needs to have different property. For example, over here it's header. I simply, and it is of black. There is no one actually, like this only. Simply see, it simply means that first of all let's create ID. Okay, I'm gonna tell you what does it mean now. Now look, first of all let's create ID and let's be quick. Now left, I'm gonna say left over here, and background color would be, say, what color you want. Let it be of brown color, brown. Okay, yeah. And font color, I want it to be of yellow. Okay, yeah, that's it. Yeah, I'm gonna save this shit too, gonna refresh it, and right now there is left are these shits over here, as you can see. Okay, yeah, but it's not of black or left, it's not of brown or left. Why is it not? Because it's not within left color, it's within content. And now see, preview it in Firefox. Let it get open and see, this is it, and it's still not of color. Why is it not? Let me see it. My logo.css, yeah, and certainly it's not, because in CSS double quotes shouldn't be there in CSS. It is in Firefox, but in CSS we write it like this: attribute equals to value. It's without double quotes. Okay, that's why. So I simply save it and I refresh it, and see, all of them are now of yellow color and brown background. Okay, so now let's continue. Come on, refresh it. Okay, so now what I wanted is that this content, I'm gonna modify class now. Okay, so have a look. Class, we actually modify it like this: .clss. Sorry, what is the class name? Class name is content. So I'm gonna say content dot and then class name C. Okay, now I'm gonna say background ground to be of, no, we don't want background color, we simply want color to be of, say, black color. Okay, yeah, so that's it. I go over here and I refresh it. See, it's of black color now. The thing is that, see, this is what I meant by class. Over here I say content, which is class name, I say background, and it's applicable to not only this sheet, but also to this sheet. It's not only applicable to this division, but also to this division, this division, this division, till over this division. If I would have used id instead of class id, then I simply cannot apply id to multiple piece of sheets. To be in technical language, multiple piece of tags. id cannot be applied to multiple tags, same id. Okay, so if I do it like this, I refresh it. Okay, fine, I refresh it, and see, these are all content till content 5, all are yellow. Okay, what is the color I have specified? Color yellow has been specified to left, so these are actually yellow because of this id. So this id has fully failed, it has failed. Okay, so that's what I meant. We use class for multiple stuff. Okay, so let's move forward. You congratulate yourself, you had actually understood one of the most difficult difference and most important topics, id and class. If you don't, then you'll be understood it, because there is still a lot to happen over here, guys. So whatever, now we're gonna make footer over here. I'm gonna say footer id equals to footer, sorry, I'm getting nuts, div id. I hope that you didn't copy it, I actually wrote it down purposely. Whatever, div id equals to footer. I'm gonna close it over here, and over here gonna write footer. Oh come on, footer. Okay, but now see, since it's a small, so I'm gonna move it to this, to it one line. It looks good, isn't it? Looks good and simple. That's why I moved it over one line. I refresh it, and see, this is it. Now in the next tutorial, we're gonna complete our page layout, which is this piece of shit like this. We're gonna complete it. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment, and like. I'm making all of these shits for you. Hope you enjoyed it, hope you are getting something from it. Okay, so where is my software? There you go.